What's going on? It's Ray again, and we actually just got new wheels for the RCF. So they just arrived. We're gonna go ahead and check them out, see how they looked, and this video hopefully turns out pretty good. My camera broke, so filming this on my iPhone, so I can't really, do face shots. So bear with me. It's gonna be a lot of not me. So let's go ahead and check out these wheels. Brand new wheels from HRE. So as you can see, they have arrived. This is a rear wheel. FF11 is the model number. As you can see, it's a nice 5-spoke, 20 by 11, and the color is raw, just how I like it. So yeah, let's open the box and see how it looks. This finish looks really good in the sun. You could really see the stone finish here, along with the brushed faces. Oh yeah. This is gonna look really good rolling on the car. I think I'm gonna be pleasantly surprised with how they look. Very excited to put these on the car. Gotta look at all the angles on these wheels. Beautiful. Woo. But yeah, so we're gonna take a break on the video now. Tomorrow morning we're gonna roll over and get them installed over at New Year Coating, so stay tuned for that. But this is just the teaser on how amazing these wheels are gonna look. And I know a lot of you haven't seen the F in a while, so we're gonna go ahead and do some panning shots of that now. But these are beautiful wheels. Get a video tomorrow, hopefully with a camera, because it just isn't working out with the iPhone. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Get your shirts down below, because I need money. But sick. Let's go check out the F. Yep, I must say this looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. And as you know, we just installed these side splitters, amazing looking, but our front splitter already flew off. We'll be doing another video on that. Long story short, my buddy had to test fit the custom splitters one more time. So I had these about 2 or 3 days on the car, and they flew off on the freeway. I heard all this noise under my car, and that was it. That was all she wrote. And I look at my rear view and you just see a big piece of carbon fiber just flying all over the place. Kind of funny, kind of expensive. $500 later, here we are. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and we'll see you next time.